Hey guys, it's running Kimono. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about Walgreens and couponing lingo, and specifically Walgreens lingo. For a lot of you newbies out there who just are not sure, or you might come across one of my videos and be like, what in the heck is she talking about? Like, I am lost. We are going to be talking about the basic ground rules of these acronyms or the lingo, and we are just going to take things apart step by step, just as talking points on how to figure out how to coupon over at Walgreens with this very interesting coupon lingo. So what is coupon lingo? Well, it is our form of speech patterns, how we describe things, and often when we are putting this coupon lingo in breakdowns, videos, either slides or like a video, it's basically to make something abbreviated. What an abbreviation is to take something a lot longer and to make it very, very short. Especially with certain breakdowns found specifically on Instagram or Facebook, the lingo is it's a necessity because you're trying to put a bigger concept of a deal into like a little tiny screenshot. So that's why often things are quite abbreviated, especially in the couponing world. So hopefully that's crystal clear. Now here's a really good example of an acronym or something that's a lot shorter in everyday society. LOL means laugh out loud. So if you can only imagine in the couponing world, in the way that we speak, we have tons and tons and tons of this in our lingo. So we're going to decipher a lot of that, but this is just one example, and I'm very sure most of you have heard about LOL. Okay guys, so the first one we have is Q, which is short for coupon. Pretty straightforward. The next one that we have is MFC, which is a manufacturer coupon. Then we have the YMMV, which is your mileage may vary. For example, one of those might be my Walmart has clearance toilet paper for $1. Your mileage may vary, or YMMV, your local Walmart might have the same item on clearance. So it is just like, you know, walk with a little bit of precaution. Just because it's on clearance at my store may not be at yours. Your mileage may vary. That's what that acronym means. We have a DD, which is a double dip. Sometimes with different stores or even Walgreens, a certain item might be producing both points and register rewards or something. That could possibly be a double dip or a DD. And then we have the OOP, which is an out-of-pocket. So when I say it's 99 cents OOP, that means the final price point of what you're paying cash out of pocket. Okay, now we have the RC, which stands for raincheck. If there is an item on sale at your store and it's for a certain price point and the store doesn't have any more of that merchandise, you can go to the front, ask a cashier or manager for a raincheck. So RC is the short version for that. We have MM, which is a money maker, meaning you're purchasing an item with coupons or cash and it is coming back as being a money maker for you. That's what MM means, not M&Ms. We have GC, which is a gift card. Pretty straightforward there. We have NLA, which is no longer available, meaning whatever coupon or if the deal is no longer available, it is NLA. And then we have rolling, which is to use points or register reward to gain either future merchandise or future points or products, but that's what rolling means. It means that you're using specifically some points or a register reward or something in your stable of like points or whatever at Walgreens to get something else, to get further points or to get further merch, but you are in fact rolling something. You're not paying out of pocket. Now let's talk about the inserts. These usually come either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday in your local community, and they are the coupons that are found inside of the newspapers. So here are the acronyms. We have SS, which stands for Smart Source. We have P&G, which stands for Proctor Gamble. We have the RMN, which is the Retail Me Not, formerly known as Red Plum. And then if I'm ever talking about something called an IP, that stands for Internet Printable, which is either found on coupons.com, smartsource.com, one of the manufacturer's websites, or the Retail Me Not site as well. Now let's talk about specific Walgreens lingo. Walgreens, WAGs is short for Walgreens. So if you ever see WAGs on Instagram or Facebook, that's the reference of what they mean. WAGs equals Walgreens. IVC stands for Instant Value Coupon, which is found in the Big Book of Savings at the front of the store. It's that skinny book with the store coupons inside of, free to take as well. So IVC, Instant Value Coupon. CAT, it's any sort of printable that comes out of the Catalina machine. It could be information about future deals. It can be a register reward coupon, or it can actually be a coupon itself. So that's what CAT typically means. And again, we're talking about people just calling it the Big Book, where the IVCs are found, which is the monthly Big Book of Savings. And there are a new one every single month over at Walgreens. So you might hear it be called the Big Book as well. Now we have the IAC, which stands for an in-ad coupon. This can be found in your weekly flyer over at Walgreens. Often they have, like, you know, some for like food or like the Walgreens baggies, that sort of stuff, but that's what an IAC means. The RR is a register reward. Again, it is a paper coupon that is similar to like money. For example, this week we have it for the Black Forest organic gummies and for the theater size candy. It's that specific paper coupon that comes out of the Catalina machine. Points is your balance reward points. Sometimes instead of calling it balance reward points, they'll say, hey, roll some points. Load coupons is an electronic manufacturer coupon found on your store card. So hopefully that's also crystal clear. We just call it a load coupon, but it is in fact a manufacturer coupon, and it can either be a manufacturer or a store coupon because it is Walgreens, and sometimes they have both that you can put on your store card. Okay guys, so this is the final slide. We're going to talk a little bit about when people call things boosters. It's often, you know, a paper that you get from the Catalina machine, or it's an electronic one. And basically what a booster is, the store will give you a specific time, a specific price point of what you have to purchase, or possibly the items if it's beauty stuff, and you will get back extra points for purchasing items in that window with the booster. And sometimes it's either electronic or paper. So you guys know what I'm talking about because we do talk about boosters a lot on this channel. And then the final thing we're going to talk about is a stack. It is using 2 promotions to get double the points or the savings. You guys know with the boosters, we have been putting both the electronic with the papers and getting twice the amount of points, or even a flyer booster with a load booster. You guys get what I'm saying. But basically that's what stacking means, or to do a stack. So hopefully all of these acronyms give you guys a little bit more light as to some of this interesting lingo that we have over at Walgreens. This isn't the complete definitive list. Anything that might be not included here, please look it up on Google. Usually one quick Google search, you will be able to find anything. If you just type in coupon lingo and something that might be pressing you, you might be like, what is that? Look it up there. It's probably listed if it's not in this list. These are 2 slides that I have made, and I just thought we could go over them really quickly just to show you guys how I create these matchups, and I do them for both Instagram and here on YouTube. And I thought that we could just go through them really quickly just so you can apply some of the information we just talked about. So as you can see at the very top of the store logo, Walgreens, we have the date, the 24th to the 30th, and this is for the Black Forest Organic Gummy, $1.99. You pay $1.99 OOP, which is out of pocket, get back $1.99 register reward, boom. After all of that, it's free, and you can do the register reward 1 per transaction. That is crystal clear, and a use of 2 terms from the list. And the final example is on the Oxy detergent. Walgreens is at the store, June 24th to 30th. The sales price, $2.99. Subtracting a 2 off of 1 from the SS0624, that is Smart Source, June 24th. After you surrender that coupon, you're paying 99 cents. So boom, 99 cents. So it's pretty easy to decipher when you have your stable of acronyms or lingo and you just know what that means. And once you have this information down cold, you'll be able to read my matchups or other people's matchups with very little ease. And again, if there is something so burning or you just don't know, Do a quick search on Google. I'm very sure that within seconds you will have your information, and often it's a lot faster than asking me and waiting maybe 2 days for a reply, because sometimes I do get backed up on responses, and I do apologize about that, but sometimes a quick Google search can just solve any mystery. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed these teachable videos, please give this video a thumbs up so I will continue to make them throughout the summer. Thank you so much.